Hello everyone, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are going to do the snail trail for month 7 of the dragon fruit quilt. Now in month 7 you're supposed to do the economy block and the courthouse steps. We've already done those in previous videos. The only thing we have not done in this quilt is the snail trail, so I will be recording that. And I already have the pieces all cut up and ready to go. And so let's get over to the sewing machine. There are 20 pieces for this particular block, and I've got them all numbered. And here's you will need your cardstock, bookmark, whatever it is you use, your add a quarter ruler, cutting mat, and rotary cutter, and an iron. And to learn more about this pattern, you can watch the first video. These papers were specifically designed for this pattern, and it's no longer available. But they do have, Fat Quarter Shop does have the triangle papers and flying geese papers and stuff like that. They just won't have, the papers for this particular quilt. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, because these pieces are big, on some of the others I would just place the pieces on and flip it over, but because these are big and big pieces will move easily when you flip over, I do pin them. So you want to start wrong side to wrong side. So wrong side of the paper to the wrong side of the fabric. And then I'm just going to look, make sure that's okay, that's centered good enough. So I'm going to pin that there. Okay. I'm going to take, this 4-patch is tricky, but I'll show you how to do it. Some people will just make the 4-patch and then place it. I am going to do it a little different. Where's my... Okay. Now that I've folded on the line and I've made my seam allowance, now I know where to place number 2. So okay, I'm going to start my stitch and lock it, or you can backspace if your machine doesn't lock, and I will go to the middle and lock. Then I will iron that open, and then I will show you what we do next. Okay, now I'm going to iron this open. Okay, now I'm going to take piece 3 and 4 and I'm going to sew them together. And this was pressed away from this purple piece that's on here, so I will press away from here also, so towards here. Okay. Now I'm going to put my cardstock right at the seam for 3 and 4. Make sure your fabric is not folded under there. Press. Add your quarter ruler. And now I can nest those seams right there. Pin that down and sew. And I'll press that open. And all the points in the corners meet nicely. So now we're going to do 5 and 6. Whoops. 5. And 6. Because these are opposite, you can do them at the same time. So, and 5 and 6 are the same. I put my point right there where the seam is. And you want to make sure when you come over, these triangle pieces can easily fold over. So you want to make sure they're not folded over when you sew, because they can get caught on the feed dogs. And you just keep repeating, making sure you use the right fabric in the right spot. Purple will match the purple. And blue will match blue. Okay. And just rinse and repeat. Okay, there are 2 lines along here. This inside line is going to be your seam line. Do not trim on that line. Trim on the outer line. Okay, so we've made 4 of these, and you need 4 courthouse steps, and you need 4 economy blocks. And that is some bright material. That needs a black light so it can, really shine. So we have 1 more month and we can put it together. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next month on Nana's Journey.